Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we shall learn how to update graphics driver in Windows, and we are going to see the graphics driver for Nvidia graphics card. A graphics driver is also known as a display or video driver, and it is a software program that allows your computer to communicate with your graphics card, operating system and other software components. So you have to understand that if there is no graphics driver in your computer, then the operating system or the other softwares, they cannot interact with your graphics card hardware. So it will be useless if you don't have a graphics driver. And also if your graphics driver is not up to date, then you cannot unleash the potential of your graphics card. And there are many benefits of updating graphics cards, such as improved performance, bug fixes, and also various new features are released with each new version of the graphics driver. So you can update your graphics driver manually or automatically. To update your graphics driver manually, you will need to download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. And to do that, first of all, you will have to find out the name and the model of your graphics card. If you are not sure about the name and the model of your graphics card, then you can follow one of my video. The link to that video is in the description. You can click on that video and you can see how to find out the name and the model of the graphics card that is in your computer. Once you know the name and the model of your graphics card, you can come back to this video and then we shall start with the download process. So the first thing that we will have to do is to open Nvidia. So you can just open the nvidia.com. Now there are three ways to update a driver if you have Nvidia graphics card. The first one is using Nvidia GeForce Experience, which is actually a software. The second way is by using Windows Update. The third way is by using Nvidia's website. So let's see how we can download and install the graphics card drivers using the Nvidia GeForce Experience, which is a free application that allows you to automatically update your Nvidia graphics card as well as optimize your games for the best possible performance. Now just open your browser and search for Nvidia, and then just open the first link, which is from nvidia.com. Alright, then after that I just want you to click on this products button. From here you can click on this tab, which is for software. Then navigate to this section, that is gaming and creating, and from here you will find this option, that is GeForce Experience. Just click on it and then you will be able to see the download link for the GeForce Experience. And also if you want to read more about the GeForce software, then you can just scroll down and have a look. And then after that you can just click on the download button and it will start downloading. Now once it has finished downloading, you can open your download folder or the place where you have downloaded your GeForce Experience software. Then just open up the setup installer, and from here you will just have to follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. There is nothing special to do here, so just click on agree and install. Now once the GeForce Experience software is installed, it's going to open up like this, and if it does not open up, then you can click on the shortcut icon, which is going to be placed on your desktop, or you can search for it in the start button. You can click on the start button and search in the start menu for the GeForce Experience. Then you can just open it up. Now once it opens up, it will ask you to log in if you have not logged in from before. Since I am already a user, that's why my account has already been logged into it. And if you are a new user, you will be able to register, and once you are logged in, then Nvidia GeForce Experience software will automatically scan your system for the installed softwares or the installed games, Nvidia graphics drivers, system hardware and available driver updates. And then if to install the graphics driver, you will have to click here on this drivers tab, and then it's going to display all the available graphics driver which are for your hardware, which are for your graphics card. So you can click on the download button and the download of the latest graphics driver for your hardware is going to be downloaded. and then depending on the speed of your internet it might take some time, so just let it finish. Now once the driver has been downloaded, you can click on this express installation to start the installation process. Then follow the on-screen instructions, and your screen may flicker or may go black while the driver is being installed, and it is perfectly normal. Now once the installation is complete, you will get a message box like this, which is going to display all the components that have been installed as well as the version of those components. So you can see the graphics driver has been installed, then PhysX system software has been installed, HD audio driver as well as the USB-C driver. Now we have to click on this restart button to finish the installation process. So that completes the installation of the graphics card using the GeForce experience. Now the second way is by using Windows Update. Now to do that, just right click on the start button and then click on settings. Alright, now on the left panel you have to click on Windows Update and then click here on check for updates so that all the latest updates are visible or updated in your computer. Now once it says you are up to date, then you can see if there is any pending update for your graphics driver. So if the updates are shown here, then you can click on them and install. Otherwise, if they are not visible, then you can click here on advanced options, and then you can scroll down under additional options. You can click on optional updates. Now here you can click on other updates and check if there is any pending update for your Windows graphics driver, and also you can check under the driver updates. So if the update is available for your graphics driver, you can just select it and then click here on download and install. So this is the second way to update the graphics driver of your computer if there is no pending update in Windows updates. So in such cases, you can either download the graphics card update using the GeForce experience, or you can move to the third way of updating the graphics driver, which is by using the Nvidia website. So in the third way, we are directly going to download the graphics driver from the Nvidia website, which is the game ready driver. So we'll just directly download it and then directly install it. So to do that, you can just open your web browser and then you will have to open nvidia.com, the same website that we had earlier opened for downloading the GeForce experience. And then on the right side, you can see we have this link which says drivers. So just click on it and then the driver page is going to open up. Then on this page we have to first of all select our product type, which is the GeForce for my computer, but for you, you can just click on this drop down menu and then check which is the product installed in your computer. Then you have to select that option. Then after that we have to choose the product series. For my computer it is RTX 20 series. Alright, then finally we have to select the product. It is RTX 2060, and then we have to select the operating system. It is Windows 11 for my computer. Depending on your Windows version, you can select the operating system. And then finally we have to click here on the download type, and here I will download the game ready driver. And then finally you can choose the language according to your choice and then click on search. And then finally the product page of that graphics driver is going to open up. From this page you can directly download the GeForce game ready driver. You can see the current version, that is 535.98, and it was released in the 5th month of 2023, and the total file size is 653 MB. And also if you want to read more about the new release, you can give a read, and then when you are done with all of that, you can just click here on the download button and then the download page is going to open up. Here you just have to click on the download button And finally the download is going to start. Now you just have to wait till the download is complete. Now once the download is complete, you can open up the folder where you have downloaded your graphics driver, and then using that setup file you can directly start the installation process. So you can just double click on that and then you will have to click on OK, and the application is going to extract the required files on your local computer. Once the extraction is over, the setup is going to begin. It will first check the system compatibility, and then after that you'll just have to click on next few times, and that is all. You will be able to install the latest version of your graphics driver. So I hope you were able to update the graphics driver installed on your computer. If this video helped you in any way, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.